Okay, so hello po. Nandito na naman po ang inyong lingkod. Nangungulit na naman ulit sa inyo. Anyway, you've seen kanina I posted in our GCs po, marami pa akong sinendan, ng It's All About the 90 Days program. So, it is a daily planner na sinend ko kanina, and the purpose of that daily planner, at least you have to track your activities. You can do it every day, you can do it every other day, or your most precious quality time to exert your effort, your actions, your activities na to do your for life business. Bakit po kailangan natin ng daily planner? Para at least hindi po tayo mawawala doon sa ating dapat na gagawin na activities for the day. Okay? So, isi-share ko sa inyo paano natin siya gagawin na mafa-follow up nyo po yung dapat activities na hindi nyo na-pursue dahil sa mga unexpected things na katulad kanina, masyadong malakas ang ulan, so medyo marami akong hindi na-pursue na supposedly gagawin ko. Okay? So, I'm going to share with you the first photo na sinend ko kaninang umaga na tag ito, itong ating planner. Okay? So, yung makita niyo yung planner na sinend ko kanina umaga, kung mapansin nyo, January 8 po, wala pa pong nakasulat na reminder. Supposedly po, yan po yung mga gagawin ko kanina. Okay? Let me show you the January 4. So, January 4 po, I was able to book 3 bookings. Okay? So, ang na-book ko po is ang Camp Shongko, and I was able to get a final schedule. Later ipapakita ko sa inyo yung calendar talaga na calendar. This is a daily activities or whatever very at most sa inyo na gagawin nyo itong activities in a day. Okay? So, meron pa akong Bangsamoro Sharia Law Center na book. And then, meron tayong pagkahapon po, nagkaroon kami ng immediate meeting with Presidential Diamond na si Ate Dalia Mirasol. So, I was able to do the 3 bookings, but I wasn't able to do the face-to-face talk sana ito. Pero dahil sa meeting, so, hindi ko siya na-pursue. But the priority is to get schedule for this month of January. So, nagawa ko po yung booking. Nakakakuha po ako ng booking. But there's no schedule yet for the presentation. Then, new affiliate, at least 1 or 2 new. Pero, syempre, nasa ano pa yan? Nasa on the process pa. So, nag-reminders ako after all the day na mga activities, nagkaroon ako sinulat ko ang mga reminders ko. So, I need to put the Camp Shongko follow-up for the last week of January. Yan ang binigay sa akin. Then, Friday, follow-up, the Bangsamoro, dahil that time wala yung mga bossing. So, and then follow up the BGMP the following day. So, the following day, wala pong nagawa dahil unang-una, yung nabook ko na Sharia Law Center is, nagkaroon lang ako ng booking pero walang binigyan na schedule kasi since then, wala pa rin din po yung kanilang mga bossing. So, okay lang. Then, pagkahapon, wala kaming ibang ginawa kundi nag-prepare for the Thanksgiving and kick-off for 2024. So, nagkaroon po kami ng simple party sa grotto. Last nangyari nung Sunday. So, that was yesterday, 7. Okay? So, itong araw na ito, January 8, I have my activities. So, sinulat ko anong dapat kong gagawin ng mga activities for the day. So, I should follow up NIDA, Butuan, kaso lang, on that day, kaninang morning, wala po siya sa tindahan niya dito sa Awang. And then, ang St. Joseph School, hindi po siya po St. Joseph, St. John School po siya, na kailangan ko pong i-follow up. So, actually, nung December ko pa po ito siya, first week or second week of December ko siya na-book. So, hindi ko nakuha na ng schedule at this time na bumalik ako to follow up. So, nakakuha po ako ng tamang schedule. So, talagang ano na siya, fixed schedule. So, yung delivery po, may delivery ako for the day, 2 delivery, pero hindi ko po siya nagawa dahil medyo natagalan ako sa St. John dahil hinantay ko po talaga yung principal na makausap dahil nandun lang po yung parang supervisor nila. So, thankful naman din po ako dahil nakausap po yung principal. That's why I was able to get a fixed schedule for this month of January. So, I wasn't able to go to BPI because iba yung naging mayroon akong out of for life na activities. So, I need to go to SSS for my mother's procedure sa kanyang SSS. So, kailangan ko siyang i-insert. But, nung time na umuwi muna ako for the lunch, actually, I took my lunch more than 2 o'clock na. So, okay lang yon. Basta importante, may nagawa ako. Then, I should deliver in OSCA office, but unfortunately, naabutan po ako ng malakas na ulan. That's why I was able to do a booking only sa St. John. And then, I wasn't able to do the face-to-face this afternoon kasi malakas nga yung ulan. So, supposedly, kausapin ko dapat ang secretary ni Attorney Balyeke, hindi ito Balyesa, Balyeke. And then, the Bangsamoro, actually, I went to the office in the morning, noon time na, pero nakapadlock po yung office. So, wala po akong nakausap ni isa doon. So, I'm going to show you the next slide, okay? So, this time, another slide po ang isi-share ko sa inyo para maintindihan nyo po kung paano ginagawa yung ating daily planner. Okay? So, if you have seen this last today's plan, meron na po akong reminders. So, dito sa reminders po, sinulat ko na po siya na I should follow up again, Ma'am Nida, buktuan, it's either tomorrow or the following day. Depende po sa magiging ganap for tomorrow. And then, I should deliver in San Pablo kasi bayad na po yan. Nag-trust lang po sa akin yung satisfied and happy customer na valued customer ko sa product na meron na in-order niya sa akin. And also in Peña-Francia. So, follow-up call ko dapat ang BGMP, kaso lang, dahil nga sa side trip ako ng ibang importante din na transaction sa SSS for my mother. So, I can call anytime for tomorrow sa BGMP dahil meron na naman akong number. So, hindi nakaligtaan ko siyang tawagan. So, at least dito sa reminders ko, the following day, alam ko kung ano ang dapat kong gawin. So, for delivery ako sa OSCA, it's either tomorrow or the following day. So, yan yung mga ganap for the day. So, I want to see you in my calendar, okay? Ay, wrong. Sorry ha. Wait. Nagkamali ako. Okay. So, balik tayo. Dito tayo ulit sa i-share ko sa inyo yung aking actually, binigay lang ito na planner, okay? Dapat makahanap kayo ng planner na kung saan hindi naman masyadong makapal. Thin lang siya, okay, ayan. Kung titignan natin, nandiyan nakasulat na po yung mga ganap talaga this coming, this month of January. So, Thursday, ayan na po yung mga ginawa ko. Sa Friday, then Saturday, nagkaroon kami ng, hindi ko na jot down yung activities na Thanksgiving. And then, this 14, meron tayong roadshow sa Cotabato City, sa DMN Restaurant tayo, function hall nila. And then, na-jot down ko na po yung aming schedule for Alyosan. 2 barangays po ito. And this is already a fixed date for presentation. And then, meron pa akong sinulat dito, by January 29, tatawagan ko po for follow-up ang Kampsyong ko dahil kukunin ko na po yung fixed schedule nila for this last week of January dahil po dyan po yung ganap para po sa sa presentation ko na taon sa sweldo. So itong St. John supposedly hindi ito sa 31. So this is a wrong nagkamali ako nito, but sige lang. The St. John is actually on January 24. So sa January 24 po, meron po akong schedule for presentation. So I am doing this alone. So with the teachers po ito. Okay? So this is a private school. On 24 after the exam of the pupils, so magti-take over ako at 4 p.m. I'm doing this presentation. So yan po ang mga ganap na nilista ko. So iba yung aking daily planner na records, iba din po yung the whole month na naka-schedule dapat at naka-record dapat para maka-double check po kayo. So yun po yung talaga kapag seryoso tayong gagawin po ang For Life, ganito po. Actually ginagawa ko na po ito even last year or even the other years ago sa For Life. Kaso lang hindi ko napakita sa inyo. Since then, this is 2024, baguhin na natin yung sistema natin. Dapat consistent and persistent tayong gawin ito. So, ayan, pinakita ko sa inyo paano po gagawin yung today's planner. So, binigyan ko na po kayo ng tawag nito, copy. Sa mga hindi po taga Cotabato City, I send you the link. So all you have to do is open the link so that you can print the daily planners that you are going to track your activities either daily or you can do it daily for 2 hours. It's up to you because in doing the business seriously, it's not requiring you to have a 24 hours or even 8 hours as like an employee. You can do it in 2 hours, divided 2 hours every day. At least in every minutes that you can do communications, hindi po imposible yun. Kahit nga, i-sample ko na lang sa inyo si Ati Rebecca Shurafa. She is a cashier in CRMC, but she was able to what we call this, recruit. Okay, naka-engage po siya for 2 months ng tig-3 bawat buwan. So, hindi po imposible ang mga bagay kapag gagawin po natin. Bakit po siya naka-recruit? Because she gave a precious and quality time. Kahit na minuto lang, kinausap niya lang. And then after that, she asked my support, talking to those prospect. So, with surgeon that time, so, ang ganda ng resulta. So, she was able to recruit or engage from outside Cotabato, Manila pa, on that month ng October ata or November. Basta sunod-sunod yun, October and November, she was able to engage 6 peoples in 2 months. So, hindi po imposible ang mga bagay na yan kapag gagawin po natin. So, I was able to do the loyalty every month because I have my valued, happy, and satisfied customer. So, all you have to do is find those people, quality people. Kasi in this kind of business, this is a people's business, so we have to engage with people. So, yun po siya. So, hindi po siya mahirap gawin kapag gugustuhin po natin. May enjoy po kayo the moment you used to it. So, the moment you are used to do these things, parang hindi po kayo, parang balisa po kayo, parang hindi po kayo, mapakali kapag wala kayong nagawa sa isang araw or the following days o ilang days pa man na gagawin natin ang mga precious time na kung saan, quality time na kung saan we can get a quality people. So, the quality action that we need to exert para magagawa po natin yung ating business na very successful. I don't have what we call this, yung nagawa ko na pwede kong ilapag sa inyo na mataas na position because nasa level po ako ng time na mga previous years ago na mayroon procrastination, merong doubt, merong wala nang believe sa sarili dahil sa mga previous experiences sa buhay. But if you are going to stick on that, there's no result talaga. So that's why We have to find a solution and do the solution. Do not stick on the problem, because to stick with the problem, it will always create a problem. So yun lang po. So better create a solution, find a solution, and then do the action. Because when you do the business, you have to submit yourself with your time and effort para po siyang asawahin nyo po. Pero this kind of business, it did not, it don't need or whatever, it will not require a too much time. It's a quality and effort, which is quality also. So, yun lang po. So, sana po ay may napulot po kayo sa aking binigay na example na ginagawa ko po. So, actually, I'm on a challenge situation, a struggle situation. I'm not staying in my own house for how many months already, but I was able to do the activities. Basta meron na pong kayong gustong gawin, hahanapan nyo ng paraan, and you will do anything that can, vice versa, I can also contribute kung saan man ako, wherever I am. Ang importante, I can contribute, and then I can also do my action on the field. So, yun lang po. Ang importante po, gagawin po natin ng seryoso. So, you will do ways and means. Kasi pag marami tayong dahilan, yan po ay hindi po, yan. Yung dahilan po is excuses. Kasi sa mga taong gustong makamit ang dreams, wala pong excuses. Okay? So, yun lang po. Maraming salamat. God bless us all. Yan.